Hello, this is Cybertrack. Today I'm going to talk about Sprizzy Media. Sprizzy Media helps YouTubers make their videos go viral. You can create a free online account. And how does it work is, you just gotta tell them who should see your video and provide keywords that describe your video as the name of the YouTube channel whose subscribers you like target. Then they'll use YouTube ads to promote your video to users that search for your keywords and fans that may be related to the channel. You get it in real time, subscribers and real time engagement. And they tell you who's on Spirzzy right now, like Bowler Cat Studios. They talk about cats. And someone who talks about Pokemon. The benefits are for Sprizzy Media is you join. It's a US company based in New Jersey. It's free to join. And it has an affiliate program. If you want to, they have purchase options, $50. They can help you get 2,000 or more views. If you spend $100, they'll help you get the same deal plus 10% views are for free, so they don't charge you extra. Let's say 2,000. Okay, 10% of that is 200 views. Those are free.